Imagine it's a normal morning and you're about to head to the store. Your Tesla Model X is sitting in the garage looking like any other sleek SUV. But once you step inside, you quickly realize it's packed with smart features designed to make everyday driving easier. So let's take a simple trip from home to the store and see how these interior features quietly make life smoother for regular drivers. The moment you approach the car, the first thing you notice is that you don't need to dig around in your pocket for keys. The Model X has a feature called the phone as a key system that works through a secure Bluetooth connection between your smartphone and the car. Once you've paired the phone through the Tesla app, the vehicle constantly looks for that signal when you're nearby. As soon as you walk within a few feet, the car recognizes that it's you. The mirrors unfold, the doors unlock automatically, and the system powers up, so everything is ready before you even grab the handle. When you sit down and press the brake, the car is already authenticated and ready to drive. No start button, no key fob, no extra steps. It feels less like starting a machine and more like the car is greeting you the moment you arrive. Now that you're inside, the driver profile memory automatically kicks in. The Tesla Model X instantly recognizes which driver just entered the car either through the connected phone key or the selected profile on the screen. Within seconds, the seat quietly slides forward or backward to your saved position. The steering wheel tilts to the exact height and distance you prefer, and the side mirrors adjust themselves to the angles you previously set. But it goes even further than that. The system can also remember your favorite climate temperature, your preferred music streaming account, navigation history, and even driving preferences like steering mode or regenerative braking strength. So if someone else in your household drove the car last, maybe they moved the seat way back or changed the mirrors, everything automatically resets the moment your profile activates. Instead of spending the first minute of every drive readjusting things, the car simply molds itself back to you, making it feel like the vehicle already knows exactly how you like to drive. Before even backing out of the garage, you notice the huge 17-inch central touchscreen lighting up the cabin. At the center, you have the touchscreen, a massive, bright 17-inch display that essentially acts like the brain of the Tesla Model X interior. The screen is laid out in a way that feels more like using a tablet than operating a traditional car dashboard. On one side, you can see your navigation map stretching across the display, giving you a wide, clear view of upcoming turns, traffic conditions, and nearby charging stations. Along the bottom, quick controls let you adjust music temperature, seat heating, and drive settings with just a quick tap or swipe. You can even pull up camera views, open the glove box, adjust suspension settings, or move the steering wheel and mirrors right from the screen. Everything is organized into simple menus that slide smoothly, so instead of searching around for dozens of physical buttons like in older cars, most drivers find themselves learning the layout within just a few minutes of sitting in the car. As you shift into reverse to leave the garage, one of the most useful interior tools activates, the 360-degree camera system. The screen shows a bird's eye view of the car and everything around it. Tight garage walls, bikes leaning near the driveway, or even a trash bin you forgot to move suddenly become easy to spot for drivers who sometimes feel nervous backing out of tight spaces. This feature alone can save a lot of stress. Now you're out on the road heading toward the store. Instead of manually adjusting the air conditioning, the smart climate control system quietly takes care of it. The Model X can automatically direct airflow to different zones in the cabin and maintain a comfortable temperature without blasting cold air directly into your face. On a hot day, it even starts cooling the car before you enter if scheduled in the app. As traffic builds up at a stoplight, you glance down at the digital instrument display behind the steering wheel. Unlike traditional dashboards packed with tiny gauges and warning lights, this one keeps things calm and focused. The screen in the Tesla Model X prioritizes only the information you actually need in the moment. Your speed sits clearly in the center, while navigation directions appear right beside it so you don't have to look over to the main screen as often. You can also see small visualizations of nearby vehicles, lane markings, and safety alerts, which gives you a quick sense of what's happening around the car without overwhelming you with details. The clever part is how the layout subtly adapts while you drive. When you're approaching a turn, the navigation instructions grow larger and more prominent, almost guiding your eyes naturally to the next move. It's the kind of design that feels effortless, helping you stay informed without distracting you from the road ahead. While driving through town, you decide to change the music. Instead of tapping through menus, you simply say, "Play my driving playlist." The voice command system responds almost instantly instantly pulling up your music without you needing to look away from the road. Over the years, Tesla has refined the voice recognition in the Tesla Model X, so it understands natural phrases rather than robotic commands. You can say things like navigate to the nearest grocery store, turn the temperature down 2 degrees, open the glove box, or even turn on the seat heater, and the car handles it immediately. What makes this especially useful is how it keeps your hands on the wheel and your eyes forward, which matters a lot when you're driving through busy streets or dealing with traffic. After a while, it starts to feel less like talking to a machine and more like casually asking your car to help you with small things along the way. A few minutes later, you're cruising along a busy road, and the autopilot visualization screen becomes surprisingly helpful. On the display, the car shows surrounding vehicles, lanes, cyclists, and pedestrians in real time. It's almost like getting a live map of everything happening around you. The system constantly updates as cars merge, slow down, or move into another lane, and it even highlights road markings and traffic lights, so you can see exactly how the car is interpreting the environment. In heavy traffic, this extra layer of information can be reassuring because you're not just relying on mirrors or quick glances anymore. You can actually see the space around the vehicle mapped out clearly on the screen. Even if you're fully in control of driving, this visual awareness adds an extra layer of confidence, especially in complicated traffic situations inside the Tesla Model X. As you approach the shopping center parking lot, another convenience becomes obvious. The high-resolution parking cameras and large display make parking almost effortless. On the central screen inside the Model X, multiple camera angles appear at once, including a bird's eye view that lets you see the car's exact position between the painted lines. As you slowly pull into a space, the system highlights nearby objects like curbs, shopping carts, or the bumper of the car next to you, giving you a clearer sense of distance than mirrors alone ever could. The large display also shows guiding lines that move with the steering wheel, helping you judge exactly how much to turn before straightening out. Instead of leaning forward and guessing how close you are to the curb, you can simply glance at the screen and adjust with confidence. For drivers who normally feel a bit tense squeezing into tight parking spots at busy stores, this extra visibility makes the whole process calmer, quicker, and far less stressful. Once you park and put the car in park, the cabin shifts into a different mode. The entertainment and comfort features come alive. If you're waiting for someone or just taking a break, the massive screen can stream videos, play games, or display maps. Tesla essentially turned the interior into a digital lounge, something you start appreciating during longer waits or road trips. Also in the Model X, you can pull up streaming apps right on the screen and connect a controller to play games or simply relax while the sound system fills the cabin with music. The seat heaters can stay on the climate system, keeps the temperature steady, and the quiet electric cabin makes it feel surprisingly calm, almost like sitting in a small private theater, while the car handles the background tasks like battery monitoring and cabin airflow. For everyday drivers, it turns those random moments of waiting in a parking lot into something far more comfortable instead of just sitting there staring out the windshield. And before stepping out, there's one more subtle feature that many people overlook, and is called the smart cabin monitoring and alerts. Inside the Tesla Model X, sensors quietly keep track of what's happening in the cabin even after you walk away. If the system detects that something important might have been left behind, like your phone, wallet, or bag, it can send a notification to your Tesla app reminding you to check the vehicle. The car also keeps monitoring the cabin temperature and air quality while parked. If conditions start getting too hot or uncomfortable, systems like the cabin overheat protection can automatically run the ventilation or climate control to keep the interior from turning into an oven. It's the kind of thoughtful background feature most drivers won't notice every day, but on a scorching summer afternoon or a rushed shopping trip, it can make a surprisingly big difference. By the time you grab your groceries and head back home, something interesting becomes clear. None of these features feel flashy or complicated when you're using them. That's really the idea behind the Tesla Model X interior design. It's not just about futuristic screens or impressive technology. It's about making ordinary moments backing out of your garage, navigating traffic, parking at the store feel simpler and less stressful. And when all those little conveniences add up, driving doesn't feel like a chore anymore. It just feels easy.